Hello everyone, in this problem we shall find a minimal spanning tree of a graph by Prim's algorithm. Suppose this is the graph given and we have to compute a spanning tree with minimum length, and we know that a tree is a graph which contains no cycle and which is minimally connected graph. This graph contains 7 vertices, so a spanning tree of this graph will have 7 vertices and 6 edges. We shall find that spanning tree with minimum length by Prim's algorithm. In this algorithm, we may start with any vertex. Suppose we are selecting this vertex D first of all. You can select any vertex as a starting vertex. Here we are selecting D. In the first step of the Prim's algorithm, we have to find the vertex, the non-selected vertex which is nearest to this selected vertex. Now here you see that all the vertices are yet to be selected. The only one vertex D is selected. If we calculate the distances of the other vertices from this vertex, we find that E is the vertex which is nearest to D, because the length of D is 1, which is minimum among these 4 edges. So we shall add this vertex. So first of all we select E vertex and we add this edge DE. Now we have selected 2 vertices D and E, and all the remaining 5 vertices are yet to be selected. In the next step we have to find the vertex which is nearest to any of these 2 selected vertices. Here you see that there are 3 vertices which are connected to D, and these are A, B and T. And the nearest of these 3 vertices is B, which is 4 units away. And again we consider the distances of the vertices from this E, obviously excluding D, and here we see that the vertex B is nearest to E because the length of the edge BE, which is 3, and this is the minimum among these 3 edges ET, EB and EC. So we select this vertex B and we add this edge. Now we have selected 3 vertices B, E and D, and next we have to compute the distances from these vertices, and here we see that the minimum distance is 1 because there are 3 vertices which are connected to B. These are A, S and C. So among these 3 vertices, C is nearest to B. If we consider D, then there are 2 vertices T and A which are adjacent to D, and 5 of them is minimum. Consider E, there are 2 vertices C and T, and the distances are 4 unit and 7 unit respectively, and the minimum of these 2 is 4, so C is nearest to E. But among these all the vertices, C is nearest to this vertex B, so which is 1 unit away. Hence we connect this edge and we select this vertex C. Now we have 4 vertices B, C, E, D. Again we have to compute the distances of the other vertices, and we have to find the vertex which is nearest to these 4 vertices. In the next step we find that the vertex A which is nearest to these selected vertices, because this is 2 unit away and which is the minimum among the remaining edges. So we select this vertex and we connect this edge. Now only 2 vertices are remaining, S and T. So for S we have to select a vertex which is nearest to this S, and here we see that A is nearest to S, hence we select S and connect this edge. And finally we consider T, so we have to select T and add an edge which is of minimum weight. Here you see that there are 2 edges DT and ET. We may connect either DT or ET, but among these 2 edges 5 is minimum, so therefore we select this vertex and add this edge. So this is the minimal spanning tree by Prim's algorithm. And what is the length of this spanning tree? The length of this spanning tree is 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. That is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5. That is equal to 14 unit.